I am not a tech guy, but I try to take advantage of the tools that is available to us. And one of the things that I'm currently doing is working on a SaaS project. I just had an idea, gave it to an AI, brainstormed it, conversed with it, and now I am on the way to building beautiful SaaS. So yeah, let's see how it is and to write coding. So my issue was this, and maybe I'll just zoom it in so that you see it properly. I said I want to have a system where I can monitor important activities across my life, from family, faith, finances, fitness, friends. The goal is to track my engagement with these identified factors and to ensure I give each opportunity and live effectively and balanced life with minimal isolation. The routine should run across the week or the month. Can you enhance? So I was telling ChatGPT, can you enhance this prompt and suggest any other thing that might be of importance that I have, anything of importance that I might have left out. Okay, I wanted to have a systemic notification nudges before the time for activity. For the time for any activity arrives. I want to build this into a simple but powerful application or web app using Google AI Studio. So my intention was first to use Google AI Studio, but then it seemed that Google AI Studio was a little bit finding it tough. Then I also have access to Cloud Code, where Cloud AI. Cloud AI is by Anthropic, but then it's known for being good per se. With coding and everything stuff, and then the display is beautiful. Wait, before we even, this is the code. I don't want to spoil the broth, you know. So I did the same. I gave the same prompt to Cloud, and then it gave me, you know, it added some few factors to the, you know, I've been using, if you've been keen enough, I've been using finance, family, faith, what, so it decided to to go in and focus, give me focus as an extra thing to look at. Rest and recovery, self-reflection, journaling, strict tracking, mood, energy log, blah blah blah. All right, and the neglect. So it technically it added some few things I should also add to the things that I intended to look at, because to live effective and life that is balanced, you need to track yourself sometimes, and we don't do that, and that's why sometimes we end up missing out on many opportunities. Right. So after that, I took the same prompt, and then I also brought it to Gemini, which belongs to Google. My intention was to use this one, Google AI Studio, but then Google AI Studio, a little bit, when I tried the first time, it was a little bit difficult and it couldn't give me the right things that I wanted, or maybe it wasn't smooth and swift enough, and but currently it refused even to show yesterday. So at least right now it's showing. So those are the final results of that little prompt. I enhanced the prompt, and I think also you can see ChatGPT went broad and gave me other, you know, important fine tunings. I continued to converse with ChatGPT till I got to the final, you know, it gave me a strategy for everything. But then I realized, because if I would have asked ChatGPT to code it for me, it wouldn't give me the beautiful display that we see here now, that Cloud is giving me. All right, this is the beautiful display of the whole idea. So it has literally done everything. So, and then I want to show you the final result. Okay, and out of that, it produced a very beautiful prompt, because Cloud AI has Cloud Code, which is very good for coding. All right, and per se, this is all free version. All right, so it gave me this prompt, and I want to show you the final results. So this is how the final result looks like. Okay, so in this final result, we have this interface where at a first glance you can get to understand how much of a balance you will have in life. All right, it will give score for your faith, for your family, finances, fitness, friends, and focus. All right, how much of a focus you're using. All right, and then you can come and fine tune. You can come and save a reflection or write something about yourself. You see, it's making it personal and in-depth. All right, and let's say when you intend to have a morning prayer at 6 a.m. when you are done, you can say marked as done, and it will record it, and the result will be reflected in your faith. Okay, family, let's say you need to interact or call your family and everything a week. You just schedule a plan, and then once you are done, you be honest with yourself and jotting the experience and you save the reflection. It will keep on tracking this, okay, and it will give you your report either on a daily basis, monthly basis, depending on how you set. So for something finance like finances, maybe the setting can be done on a, let's say, monthly basis. All right, for fitness you can do it on a weekly basis. For friends, maybe daily or weekly. For focus, you can give yourself maybe a longer span to see a goal that you set aside and you try to achieve and everything of that sort. All right, so here's it's the breakdown of how a single day runs. Maybe in a week, let's say for Sunday, you have morning prayers. You see, you can schedule morning prayer every day in the morning when you wake up. You can adjust this time if you want to. You can just you can just come at faith, and then you can if you want to adjust, you can also adjust your morning prayers and everything. So this is how this thing is broken down on weekly. Okay, so if you intend to delete, you can delete it. If you intend to enhance, you can enhance it. All right, so this is one beautiful thing that I have just made and landed on. And then this is let's say the analysis. Okay, it gives you analysis on a weekly engagement. What are the things that you worked on, or how it can even rate it for you. Okay, and you can plan a day activity through a month, and you see. So, and then the final thing is badges. If you've achieved maybe your 7-day goal in prayer and everything, it will show it in some form of a badge. For 30-day, it will different things. It will show differently. So yeah, this is one beautiful thing I'm working on. I have not yet finished yet. I am intending to finish it and see how I can maybe put it across to you, and I hope you will enjoy and support this. Thank you very much. So drop a comment and tell me what you think this whole idea and this whole concept is, and how it is, and maybe if you have any options or any suggestions on how I should improve or whatsoever, let me know. And yeah, if we get to the final part, maybe yeah you might be my good customer. Thank you very much. Peace out.